Tamil Nadu Government SCRT syllabus 4th Standard Science Term 3. Good morning children. நாம இப்போ பார்க்க போற பாடம் Unit 2 Life of Animals. Some animals live alone. Some animals live in groups. Animals live alone. Tiger, lion, snake, dolphin, fox, bear. Animals live in group are elephant, fish, sheep, bees, ants and cow. Now let us see nesting behavior in birds. Birds are very different. Most of the birds build their own nests. They build nests for their young ones. Some weave leaves, some use twigs, some build with thorns, then pad it with soft materials. Some lay their eggs on the ground or in the gap between rocks. Group behavior in bees. Group behavior is also called social behavior. When insects live together, they often follow a hierarchy. In bees, they have one queen bee in every hive. There are a few male bees called drones. There are hundreds of female bees, which are the worker bees. Group behavior in elephants. Elephant group is called herd or parade. The group leader is a female which leads the group towards the availability of food, water and safety. All animals in group obey the command of their leader. Elder animals teach manners and life skills to young ones. We know some animals live in group. The group and animals names are here. Animals: elephant, that's group name parade. Dog, pack. Fish, school. Sheep, flock. Crane, star. Camel, caravan. Ant, colony. Cow, herd. Bee, swarm. Caterpillar, army. Advantages of group behavior in animals. 1. Procuring food. Example, hunting and sharing in tiger. 2nd, taking care of young ones. Female elephant takes care of its calf. 3rd, protection from predators. Example, wild beasts make sounds to alert their groups. 4th, division of labor. Example, honey bees collect nectar, build comb and clean hive, etc. 5th one, energy conservation. Example, birds fly in V shape to reduce wind resistance. Now let us see adaptations in animals. Adaptation is the most essential factor of all living beings. All animals have special body parts to in a particular place at a particular time. Example, camel. Camel have broad feet to walk in the desert. Fish. Fish have gills to breathe and fins to swim in water. Giraffes. Giraffes have very long neck for their environmental demands. Tiger. Tigers have lines so they can hide themselves. Elephants. Elephants have long and large trunk to get their food. Types of adaptation. There are Three types of adaptation in animals. 1. Structural adaptation. Changes in the physical features of the animal. Example, polar bears living in cold climate have thick fur and short ears to reduce heat loss. Fish have gills to breathe and fins to swim in the water. Second one, physiological adaptation. Changes in the functions of the animal's body. Example, dogs shivers to generate more heat when it is cold and pants when it is hot. Third one, behavioral adaptation. Changes in the activities of the animals. Birds migrate to avoid adverse conditions. Now we see structure of insects. Insects have three main body regions. They are head, thorax and the abdomen. Head includes compound eyes, the antenna and mouth. Thorax has 3 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of wings. Abdomen of most the insects have clear segmentation. Some animals have special senses to survive in the world. Special senses in animals. Ants. Ants feel vibrations in the ground through their feet and have a good sense of smell. Bats. Bats have a good sense of hearing. They use sound navigation. This is called echolocation. Owl. Owl sleeps in the day and very active at night. They are called nocturnal animals. Firefly. Firefly is also active at night and it lights its body for that. Parental care in animals. Cow gives milk and protects its calf from the enemies. Mother and calf communicate each other through a sound. Kangaroo. Kangaroo carries its baby in its pouch. The pouch provides a safe place for young ones. Humans promote and support the physical, emotional, social and intellectual development of their child. Children, I hope you all understand this lesson. Thank you for watching.